We're going to go over the 4 square for adding and subtracting fractions with unlocked denominators. So if you see here, my first step is to write the problem, and we are going to do 2/4 plus 1/3. We know when you add or subtract, the denominators have to be the same. So we can see here we have unlocked denominators. Step 2 is we are going to find our least common denominator, or our LCD, and by doing that we're going to list our multiples of the denominators. So let's start with 4. We have 4, 8, 12, 16. Now we're going to list them for the number 3 because it's our other denominator. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then we're going to go back and find the same smallest number. So here it's going to be 12 and 12. Now step 3, we're going to rewrite and solve the problem. We have to rewrite both of these fractions as equivalent fractions with denominators of 12. So let's take care of 2/4 first. To get it to a 12th. To get to a 4 to a 12, we're going to multiply by 3. Whatever we do to the denominator, we also do to the numerator. 2 times 3 gives me 6. So we fixed one of them, let's fix the other. So 1/3, getting it to a 12th. This time we have to multiply by 4. Whatever we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator. 1 times 4 gives me 4. So my new fractions are 6/12 plus 4/12, which is going to give me 10/12. You only add the numerators, denominators stay the same. And our last and final step is to simplify if we can. Both of these are even. When they're both even, we could divide them by 2. 10 divided by 2 is going to leave me with 5. And then 12 divided by 2 gives me 6. So our answer to this problem of 2/4 and 1/3 gives me 5/6. Now we're going to use this strategy again with subtraction. And you do it the same exact way. All right, my new problem, step 1, write the problem. It is going to be 6/12 minus 1/4. Again, you can notice that we have unlocked denominators. So let's find our LCD, our least common denominator. Start with 12. 12, 24, 36. We're just listing multiples. For 4, we're going to have 4, 8, 12, 16. Let's go back. Look here. Again, we're getting to a 12. Again, we want the smallest same number. Now let's rewrite and solve. So we're getting to 12ths over here. This one's already done for you. It's done. We don't have to touch it. 6/12. It's going to stay the same. But let's fix 1/4. 1/4 to a 12th. 4 times 3. Also have to do that to our numerator. Gives me 3/12. We are subtracting this time. So 6/12 minus 3/12. 6 minus 3 leaves me with 3. And denominators stay the same. And then let's see if we can simplify. So we can't divide this by 2. So let's try 3. 3 divided by 3 leaves me with 1. And then 12 divided by 3 leaves me with 4. So our answer of 6/12 minus 1/4, we are left over